Hey everybody, Frank from Daytona Cycle Audio. Not Tony. Tony's he's in bed right now. He's got a little cough. I want to show you what we came up with the 2024s and 2025s. Okay? We want to show you what we're going to take out of this bike, which is this guy right here. Okay? And we're going to put this on the shelf. We've been testing different amplifiers over the course of the past year, and we've come up with what we think is the best solution, okay? So Jody's gonna come over here and show you all what we've got. We're gonna start out with the diamond lid kit for those, cut-in lid kit, beautifully done. Diamond Audio 6x9. What a speaker, I can't say enough about it. Also, we're going to show you what we've come up with. Again, we've tested many amplifiers. You know, some do work. You don't need any big adapters or boxes or anything like that. What we've got works perfectly, okay? First, we start off with our bracket. Your Rockford Fosgate amp mounts right to this, okay? Then we're going to do the Rockford 800 watt amplifier, which is a dynamite amplifier. Just is 800 watts total power. We come over here, we're gonna mount this right in the road glide. And then we're gonna take this amplifier. Check out the fit on that. No other brackets, no zip ties, no nothing. Just mounts right in there with some Velcro, okay? And plug and play. Plugs right into a 2-channel system, and it'll plug right into a 4-channel system. So everything here is lickety split, as we say. Also, we've come up with our red baskets, and we're able to put our red baskets in street glides and road glides, okay? And these things they will scream. They will make your ears ring. Perfect scenario, these up front and the Diamond Audio kit in the back with the Diamond Audio 6x9, our best seller and our best sounding system. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.